Morning on the radar. If you are heading out here early, one of the essential workers in town, things are looking dry on the roadways, and that is helping us out here this morning. The radar showing fairly dry conditions for our coastline, but as you get over towards the East Coast, we are seeing a couple of showers down around Biscayne Bay and Key Largo, but you can see anywhere from Naples, the turn on I-75, all the way up through Punta Gorda and Port Charlotte here, we remain dry. So let's get you a check of the temperatures and talk about yesterday. We shattered the old record of 91 going back to last year, hitting 93 degrees. And today we're starting off even warmer, about a 2 to 3 degree difference in many locations. Our average low this time of year is 62. And in Fort Myers, we're 10 above that. Right now it's 72. And we've got the 70s all across Collier County. You get into the upper 60s along State Road 29 between LaBelle and Immokalee, and mid 60s up towards Port Charlotte. And you can see the temperature difference here this morning, 4 degree difference right now for the Cape and Fort Myers. So the winds are fairly calm this morning, and they'll pick up today west 10 to 15 miles per hour as the sea breeze front kicks in, and hopefully that'll happen a little earlier today, keeping our temperatures just shy of that 90 degree mark. And later on this evening, we'll continue to see some increasing clouds as we get a little movement from a weak boundary off to the north. So this morning, all the strong showers and thunderstorms continue to ride up north between Columbus, Ohio, stretching down towards West Virginia, and this line extends towards the east, towards the Big Apple and just off Cape Cod. And all the substantial rainfall the next couple of days will stay well off to the north. So that weak stationary front continues to fizzle out here today, and our winds turn more out of the west. That will allow for the East Coast to be hotter than we are here, but that doesn't mean we're not going to sweat it out with our temperature staying in the upper 80s here for a while the next couple of afternoons. So fairly dry conditions for today. We will see those temperatures up around 89 degrees as we have a hot afternoon on the way. And then later on tonight, we're going to be mild overnight. Those overnight lows will be sitting in the low 70s with that west wind continuing. And as we look at the extended forecast, talking about the holiday, Good Friday, 87 degrees, still well above average. And those overnight lows stay in the low 70s until the first part of the weekend. Easter Sunday, going to be breezy, if not windy, with wind gusts over 20. And then we introduce a chance of some isolated storms Monday and Tuesday.